Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Hubspot on Wix website builder. So first step is set up your Hubspot account. If you don't have a Hubspot account, sign up for one. Choose the plan that suits your needs. There is also a free version available. Second step, add hotspot tracking code to Wix. Get the tracking code. In HubSpot, go to Reports, Analytics Tools, Tracking Code, copy the tracking code provided. Now to add on Wix, on your Wix dashboard, go to Settings, go to Tracking and Analytics, click on New Tool and Custom. Paste the HubSpot tracking code and set it to load on all pages. Third step, integrate HubSpot forms. Create a form in HubSpot. Go to Marketing, then Lead Capture, go to Forms in HubSpot, and create a new form. To embed the form, once the form is created, select the Embed option and copy the HTML code. In Wix, go to the page where you want the form. Use the Add button, select Embed, Custom Embeds, and embed a widget, and paste the form code. Fourth step, add Hotspot live chat. Set up live chat in HubSpot, go to Conversations, go to Chat Flows, and create a new chat flow. Get the code. After setting it up, HubSpot will provide a snippet code. Now to embed it. Wix. Similar to the form, use the embed code option in Wix to paste the chat widget code. Lastly, using HubSpot CRM with Wix contacts. You can manually import contacts from Wix to HubSpot or use a third-party integration tool like Zapier for automatic syncing. Test and optimize it. After integration, test all functionalities to ensure they work as expected, and that's basically it.